My name is Paul Mason. I'm a technology advisor and I help businesses improve their products, processes and services using technology. Today I want to run through 7 wastes in 7 minutes, and hopefully this will get you thinking about where the waste is in your business. The best companies are those that fully tap into their employee talent, and cobots provide an excellent opportunity to free up humans from the dirty, dangerous and repetitive tasks. As an example, a metal fabrication company in Queensland with an ageing workforce was facing skills shortages, especially around their welding process. So they implemented a welding cobot to assist. Their experienced welder now works with the cobot to set up the welding paths, load the jigs, perform the quality inspection, and manage the end-to-end process. And this frees up their time to now work on continually improving that process and also train the other operators and apprentices. Whilst there's some limitations with cobots in terms of their reach, payload and speed, they're a real game changer for SMEs. They can be set up in-house by internal team members without any programming experience. They can be redeployed to other workstations for increased utilisation, and they're affordable. We're typically seeing ROIs under 2 years and in some cases under 1 year with cobot projects. Robots and automation technology can significantly reduce human motion waste. Vegetable growers across the country, for example, are manually washing thousands of vegetable bins every year, which could be performed using automated equipment. There are also other technologies which can be used to end repetitive tasks, especially around the manual handling area and packaging. A quick win in the packaging space, for example, are automatic carton and tray formers, which can improve efficiencies in the packing area. And if you're on a tight budget, make sure you check out the used equipment market for this equipment. Mobile collaborative robots are becoming more common and can now move full pallet loads. They don't require the complex and expensive infrastructure that earlier generation AGVs required. So if you can imagine, one example of this is picking a customer order in the picking area, placing this on the cobot and sending it directly to the packing area autonomously. Technologies to improve design management have been around for many years, but it still seems to be mainly used by the larger organisations. An example is a local component manufacturer I met recently, which has a large amount of rework and scrapped parts because of manufacturing to an incorrect revision. The product data is quite organised, but their mechanical CAD's not linked to their electronic parts or their wiring harnesses, and their design collaboration and manufacturing with their offshore partners could also be improved. So PDM and PLM systems can help to manage complete product assemblies, standardise the design process, enforce change management workflows, and ensure that single source of truth. Many PLMs are no longer expensive, and the major CAD vendors offer their own solutions. There's also lots of independent and open source solutions now available. SMEs typically have extensive product and sales data which could be much better utilised in a configure price quote system or product configurator tools which can automate the sales process. These systems promote standardized designs, they systemize the customer design process, reduce inventory, and automatically generate the quotations. So this can provide massive savings to the business and also significant benefits to the customer. These have been around for many years, but often not widely used by SMEs. The tools now are widely available and off the shelf, and there's also lots of local vendors to assist if you don't want to DIY. An example of this is a kitchen manufacturer in Tassie who is planning to open a new showroom. Instead, they updated their website to include an online kitchen configurator tool, which has optimised their sales process and resulted in market expansion not just in Tassie, but across Australia. Lack of good business systems and IT infrastructure is still a massive barrier to growth for many SMEs. So implementing a good ERP can transform a business by automating the daily operations and providing greater business intelligence. There's lower cost subscription models now available, which has made ERPs much more affordable and accessible to SMEs. And there's also now some open source solutions available. Keep an eye out for technologies that support mass customization. There are technologies now available to help you build a customized carton on your site on demand, which can reduce the waste associated with ordering, transportation, storage, and modifying boxes. On new technology, make sure you ask about a pay-per-use model, which can give you an immediate competitive advantage in the market without the massive CapEx expense. Virtual, augmented, mixed, and extended reality are making good progress in business. Augmented and extended reality in particular are great in industry as it can help to push relevant information directly to the user in real time. This is great for things like manual assembly, virtual training, fault finding, and diagnostics. Modern AR tools now allow you to import your CAD directly into the virtual environment, and you can have an application running in a matter of hours. There's also a growing number of local developers in this space, as well as some universities that can assist if you don't want to DIY. So feel free to get in touch if you'd like to discuss any of this further, and thanks for your time.